how to use motion control in Kling AI. So I'm going to explain how this works. First, I'm going to open up Kling. So right here, I'm using Higgs field. I'm going to go to video, and here you will see Kling motion control. Now, how this is going to work is essentially it's going to apply motion from a video to a character. So you can just use a picture of your character. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here and add a picture of my character. So for example, this person. And here you will be able to add a video which you can copy. So the video will need to be 3 to 30 seconds long. You can select the model you want to use. So for this, I'm just going to leave it as Kling 3.0. And the quality here, you can go up to 1080p, but it's going to cost more credits. Now, right here, you have also the advanced settings. So you can give it a prompt. So if you want anything changed, for example, here, change the background. Change the background to outdoors, just as an example here. It's going to change from this office to outdoors, and you can pretty much see in this GIF how it copies it. It's going to copy the motion and it's going to apply it to your character. So here, if you have a reference video, you can just click on that button and add the reference video, and it's going to copy the motion. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.